Hey fellow traders, today I just want to mention to you that I'm a little bit sick and tired of these videos out there that say $26 to $26,000, learn to trade the stock market in 2 days. Man, if I could learn to trade the stock market in 2 days, I'd be the happiest man on earth. Who the hell can do that? And anyone who's done that has been so fortunate and so lucky that they think they've learned to trade the stock market. They put all their money in there and they end up losing it anyway.
Hey, Brian, I need to talk to you about that money I invested for you.
I knew it. You lost it all, didn't you? God, I never should have given you my money. The stock market is a sucker's bet, like chasing your tail. God, it's right there and yet a million miles away. What are the physics of that?
There's guys out there touting, put $100 in, make $1 million. I saw one that literally said, learn to trade the stock market in 2 days, put $26 in and make $26,000. You know, you could do that. It could happen to you. You could literally trade $100 and turn it into $100,000 and you'd be so lucky to do it, but you'd also be so overconfident that when you look again, all that money is going to be gone because you don't know how to trade. Don't tell me that you can learn to trade the stock market in 2 days. It's a bloomin' joke, man. Hey? It's not going to happen. Trading is a 50-50 game. 50% of the time when you take a trade, it's going to win. And 50% of the time when you take a trade, guess what? It's gonna lose. And I don't care who you are, and I don't care how clever you are. I don't care if you think you're a genius. You cannot learn to trade the stock market in 2 days. It's an absolute joke. Guys, trading is risky. 80% of traders lose money. And if you don't like losing money and you don't like risk, don't trade. While you're here, go check out my secret blog. It's in the description below. Every day I give out a free trade. It's just an idea. It's not trading advice. But it's a free trade and it's there for you. And while you're there, get your free Forex book. It's in the index, or it might be on the side, it might be at the bottom, it might even be in the description here. Go check it out. It's for you, it's free, it's a PDF, enjoy it. These guys that are touting that you can learn to trade the stock market in 2 days, if you're watching this and you're thinking that this is going to go well for you, you are sadly mistaken. And if you believe that person that says, I learned to trade the stock market in 2 days, I'm a genius, seriously, okay, maybe they got lucky. Everyone gets lucky. You can go to a casino today and you can put down a whole load of money and win. And then you're going to go home and tell everybody you're a flippin' professional gambler. You're the best gambler in the world. You know what? You learned to trade. You learned to gamble in 2 days because you went there for a weekend and you won $100,000. Guess what happens next time you go to the casino? Just take a little guess what happens next time you go to the same casino. Do I need to tell you? Do you see what I'm doing here? Do you see what I'm telling you? Next time you go to that casino, they're going to take not the 100,000, they're going to take 200,000 from you, if not more. Because when they take the 100,000, you know what you're going to do? You're going to go to the bank. You're going to go to the ATM because they've got ATMs lined up all over the place in casinos, just waiting for you. You're going to take that card, you're going to go to the ATM, and you're going to get more cash. You're going to get more money. Well, what is it they do these days? These days, I think they give you a flippin' credit card at the casino and say, go and gamble with us, boy. Hey? And off you go. And you're going to take more credit and you're going to gamble more. Because you got that fear of loss. You don't want to lose that money. You don't understand how to gamble and you don't understand how to trade because it works the same way. So what happens when you take the next trade and it starts going against you and you start losing this time instead of winning? What happens then? You go to the ATM and you get more money and you throw more money at it. So when your trade starts losing, what do? You tend to start averaging down and adding more to the trade and adding more to the trade because you don't want to lose. Because you won last time, so surely you're going to win this time. And that's the trouble with this whole game. If you don't take the time to learn to trade properly, to learn the stock market over time, you are going to be sorry. You are going to lose. It takes years of experience to do this, guys. You don't learn this in a week. You don't learn it in 2 days. You don't learn it in 2 months. It takes time and it's a school of hard knocks. Let me put it that way. It's very much the school of hard knocks. You're gonna take a lot of knocks before you understand, before you learn that this is not something you learn in 2 days. The thing is, guys, you don't learn the stock market on a system. There's no such thing in the stock market as a system that makes you money. What the system gives you is an edge, because you need an edge. Everybody needs an edge to trade with. It just gives you that advantage as to how am I going to make my next buck. You've got your edge. That edge says to you, if you use this system, there's a strong possibility that you can make money. Be careful with that because it's a 50-50, just like anything else. What that system should be providing to you is a means to manage your risk. In other words, to make money in the stock market, it's very much a psychological game. And the psychology is this: make more money on your winners and lose less on the losers. Be a good loser, learn to lose money. So when it starts going into a loss and it starts looking like a bad trade, take the money away from there and put it in the good trades. When a trade's going well, you add to it. So for example, if you were not a day trader, if you were an investor and you saw that one of your investments was not doing so well, but the others were doing great, wouldn't it be just good logic to take that money from the bad investment and put it into the good investments? Because that's going to make you money over time in the long run. That's what it's all about. That's all I'm saying to you, is it's all in the psychology. Trading is not about systems. Systems give you an edge. And if you change the system every 5 minutes, you're going to confuse yourself and you're going to lose that edge. You need that edge to make money. You need the psychology that much more, because the psychology at the end of the day is what's going to make you money. Go and watch my other videos, guys. They're going to tell you all about the psychology of trading. They're also going to show you a few good trading systems that I've got there: support and resistance, supply and demand, trend line trading. I've even shown how to trade with Fibonacci, and they're all great systems for managing your risk with. Guys, I hope that gives you some insight. I hope this video helps you. It's just my rant for the day, and don't forget to watch the last video. Till next time, guys. Cheers. Bye.